mis amigotes, bienvenidos a Easy Peasy Spanish with Angie. Someone asked this question. What is the difference between acento y tilde? So in today's video, you are going to learn the difference between acento y tilde. La diferencia entre acento y tilde. There are different types of accents in Spanish, diferentes tipos de acentos. Por ejemplo, el acento prosódico, acento ortográfico y acento diacrítico. El acento prosódico, this is what we call in general accent, is the biggest intensity which we pronounce a syllable within a word. In other words, is the stress that you put on a syllable within a given word.
Las letras en rojo nos muestran dónde la sílaba debe pronunciarse con mayor intensidad. Acento prosódico. Por ejemplo, casa, cama, sonido, cortina, animal, cantar.
Acento ortográfico is the symbol that we place on a vowel. So as you can see here, for example, A, E, I, O, U, and then you can see el acento ortográfico. Tilde is a type of orthographic accent. Tilde is the graphic sign that we use to show where do we need to accentuate the syllable within a word. We can also use tilde to differentiate one letter from another. So tilde is a symbol that you can see. So this is the easiest way for me to explain. Tilde is a graphic sign. It's a symbol that you can see on the top of a letter. In Spanish we have different tildes. En español tenemos diferentes tildes. Por ejemplo, en la letra ñ, the letter ñ. Esta tilde, este signo ortográfico, this orthographic accent, is called virgulina. La virgulina de la letra ñ. Another type of tilde is la diéresis. La diéresis. So diéresis are two dots that you will put on the top of the letter U to change the pronunciation of certain words. For example, cigüeña, cigüeña. So we don't say cigueña, we say cigüeña. If that word didn't have the diéresis on top, si no tiene la diéresis arriba, we have to say cigueña. But because there is a diéresis, you have to say cigüeña. Pingüino, pingüino. Without the diéresis, we would say pinguino. But when you see this symbol on top, the sound is wa, wa, pingüino. And last but not least, acento diacrítico. We use acento diacrítico when we want to differentiate two words which are written exactly the same way, but they have different meanings. For example, más, más, más. We pronounce those two words exactly in the same way. However, when you see más with tilde, that means more, more. When you see más without the tilde, it means but. Tú, 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 without the acento diacrítico means yours. And tú, with acento diacrítico, means you. If and yes. So please note, all the words in Spanish have acento prosódico. Todas las palabras en español tienen acento prosódico. Because we pronounce all the Spanish words with different intensities. So all the Spanish words have un acento prosódico, tienen un acento prosódico, but this is not a visible mark. We are just talking about the way we pronounce the words. Now let's have a look at another example, otro ejemplo. Termino, okay, termino, termino, terminó. All those words have an accent because I have to put an intensity in different syllables within those words. All of them have an accent. However, only 2 of them have a tilde. Do you understand now? Please let me know if you have understood the difference between acento y tilde. And I think that you have learned a little bit more than that. If you have any other question or any other suggestion, something that you would like to learn, please write your request in the comment section and I will try to prepare a lesson for all of you. So this is the end of the video. Remember to suscribirte, subscribe, share, comparte so other people can also learn Spanish. Dale a me gusta, thumbs up, like, and I'll see you next time. Nos vemos en una próxima, aquí en Easy Peasy Spanish. Adiós mis amigotes.